ಎಸ್ ಸೈಮಾ 2022 ರೆಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾರ್ಜಿಯಸ್ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ನಾಯಕ ನಾಯಕಿಯರು ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಟ್ ಮೇಲಂತೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಬಡೆ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಸಚ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಲೇಡಿ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ ಫ್ರಮ್ ತೆಲುಗು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಾಲ್ವಿಕಾ ಶರ್ಮಾ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹಲೋ ಮಾಲ್ವಿಕಾ.
Hi, thank you for such a beautiful introduction.
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸೈಮಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಬಲ್ ಧಮಾಕ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್?
Very excited. I mean, Saima is always fun. You get to meet people from all the languages Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, everyone. So, yeah, looking forward to everything, all the performances, all the nominations, everything. Very excited.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅನ್ ಟು ತೆಲುಗು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ತಮಿಳ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಫಾರ್ ಯು?
It's very special. I think my debut film was in Telugu and now I'm debuting again in Tamil. It's very close to my heart. I started my career.
What do you want to tell about Namma Bengaluru? What do you personally feel about Bangalore?
I love this city. And I'm not kidding. Like, I genuinely love this city. Like, I'm from Mumbai, and whenever I have been in Bangalore, I have come to Bangalore a lot of times for ads and everything. But I love this city. I mean, it's so cool and fun. I love this city.
So, which is the best part of Bengaluru according to you?
Best part, I think food. I'm a foodie and I love the food that I have tried in Bangalore. So yeah.
Can you remember any of the best restaurants or any of the best memorable food you had ever in Bengaluru?
Not that I know of, but last time I tried podi idli. Podi idli.
Okay.
Podi idli and ghee dosa and all these things. So yeah, I think I like that kind of stuff.
Hello everyone, we are at the Sama Red Carpet which is happening second day also in Namma Bengaluru. With us we have gorgeous actress and a model Brinda Ravi. That's so amazing to have you in Sama Red Carpet. You're looking just like a princess.
Thank you, darling. Likewise, you look stunning.
Thank you so much. So Sama is celebrating 10th year anniversary. I mean, coming to the 10th year edition which is happening in Namma Bengaluru. How do you feel about that?
Firstly, I would like to congratulate Saima for their 10th year, and I think it's a privilege to be here tonight amongst so many fine actors. So I think I'm looking forward to seeing everybody tonight.
That's amazing. That's amazing. And I heard that ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು ಅಂತ. And I know you. I mean, can you speak Kannada?
Absolutely.
Oh my God. See, ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು pretty actresses ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. I mean, Saima is getting everything out and where they're getting big stars in one roof. Huh? That is really amazing. So, like ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ all over ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಗೆ, what is that one thing that you want to say? One message you want to give?
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ಗಿಂತ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಗ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗೆ ಬಿಗ್ ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದೇ ಸೋ ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೈಂಡ್. So cheers to them.
Today you'll be sensation in the internet. All your Kannada boys will be, watching you and they'll be touching their heart and like, oh my God, she's so pretty. I know, right? Okay, so which actor or an actress that you're excited to meet tonight?
I'm looking forward to seeing Nayanthara. So yeah, Nayanthara.
Okay, Nayanthara. Okay, whose performance like you want to watch?
I heard, I don't know, I'm not certain on who's performing tonight, but I think anybody and everybody, I think they're all packed in for some lovely performances.
Okay, amazing. So you've already been in the industry from a while and we are expecting your movies also. So we are like eagerly waiting to see you on a big screen. And I just want to ask you about that one fan moment you had in your life and which is always memorable and you will never forget about that.
I think it was in Punniyin Selvan's audio launch in Chennai that happened a couple of days ago. So I just walked out of the car, the red carpet, and I think there were so many lovely fans waiting at the carpet for me. And I think that was one amazing moment. I'll never forget that.
Oh my God, that's amazing. That's amazing.